Number 1.
1971 Ford F100, price $9,500. It still runs strong and carries the unmistakable toughness Ford trucks were known for in that era. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a bold black exterior, and a warm tan interior, all powered by a dependable gasoline setup. Despite its age, the truck maintains a confident road presence, supported by its strong 302 two-barrel V8 engine that starts right up and delivers a smooth, predictable drive. It also retains its traditional 3-on-the-tree manual column shift configuration, adding an authentic vintage driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate. The interior remains clean and functional, showcasing a simple, old-fashioned layout, though the dashboard does show some cracking from age and sun exposure. On the outside, most of the body panels are straight and solid, but the paint is due for renewal, and there are areas of rust that should be addressed for long-term preservation.
Number 2.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500. It has 205,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a tan exterior with a matching interior, running on gasoline. The transmission was rebuilt at around 150,000 miles, and it currently rides on BFG tires with roughly 4,000 miles. It features shorty headers, glass headlights, a black widow muffler with 3-inch tips, a 3-inch leveling kit, a spray-in bedliner with a new tailgate, and a low-profile toolbox. Inside, it has a remanufactured gauge cluster, kicker speakers, and a Pioneer touchscreen Apple CarPlay radio with a backup camera. Over the last 2 years, the truck has received extensive new parts including inner and outer tie rods, a steering gearbox, Pitman and idler arms with support brackets, sway bar links and bushings, an aftermarket steering stabilizer, fresh brake components, front wheel bearings, a reman ABS module, a new master cylinder, and rear wheel cylinders. Additional maintenance includes new gaskets, seals, oil cooler lines, OEM gas lines, a new belt and tensioner, and a fresh air filter.
Number 3.
1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, shows roughly 158,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a red exterior, and a black interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 354-bolt main engine with a Lunati cam, screw-in studs, and guide plates, producing around 425 horsepower. It's paired with a 400 turbo transmission and a 2000-style converter. With less than 20,000 miles on the engine and trans since rebuilt, the truck has received many new upgrades, including fresh paint, wheels and tires, exhaust, shocks, brakes, radiator, and battery. It also has a new front bumper, Kenwood stereo, gas tank and sending unit, wiper motor, door and window seals, door panels, and carpet.
Number 4.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500. It has approximately 160,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior paired with a beige interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck is powered by a 5.3L V8 engine, and its 4x4 system functions properly. It comes with power windows and power door locks, as well as the factory stereo system with premium OEM sound. The climate control works flawlessly, offering cold AC and strong heat. The owner has consistently performed oil changes every 3,500 miles, and the truck has recently received new brakes and new tires all around. To the best of their knowledge, there are no leaks, and both the engine and transmission operate smoothly with no issues.
Number 5.
1981 Ford F150, price $10,000. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 302 V8 engine. The truck is well maintained, with both heat and AC fully operational. Over the past 2 to 3 years, the owner has added and replaced many components to keep the truck in strong driving condition. It has a new radiator, starter, alternator, power steering pump, water pump, spark plugs and wires, as well as upgraded headers and a completely new exhaust system. The suspension and steering have also been refreshed with new ball joints, tie rods, kingpin bearings, radius arm bushings, shocks, and coil springs. The braking system has received new front calipers, brake lines, and a master cylinder, while both the windshield and rear window have been replaced to improve visibility and overall appearance. The rear end has been lowered slightly to level the stance, giving it a cleaner look on the road. All lights are fully functional, and the truck is ready to be driven immediately. It also comes with a clean Texas title.
Number 6.
1977 Chevrolet C30, price $5,000, shows around 100,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission, a red exterior, and a gasoline-powered drivetrain. Its original dark maroon paint is still visible on the firewall. The truck runs on its original 454 engine, which performs well but smokes when revved, likely due to valve seals. The tires have some weather cracking, and there's a minor engine oil leak. Though all gauges, lights, and electrical components work properly, the bed needs repair or replacement. The driver's side lower tailgate hinge is torn off, and the bedsides wobble slightly.
The cab is mostly solid with light rust in the corners and rockers. Both dual fuel tanks are connected and working. Number 7.
1974 Ford F100, price $10,000. It is powered by a strong 460 V8 engine paired with an automatic gearbox. The truck is equipped with a high-rise intake manifold and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, along with ceramic-coated headers and a performance exhaust system that enhances both power and sound. The transmission has been recently rebuilt, contributing to smoother and more reliable driving. On the interior, it has been refreshed with new carpet and new seats, while the AC system has also been rebuilt with new components to ensure proper cooling. Several important seals and mechanisms have been replaced, including the windshield gasket, door gaskets, window crank mechanisms, and the dashboard, giving the cabin a cleaner and tighter feel. It also comes with new tires and rims.
Number 8.
1980 Chevrolet Luv, price $8,998. This truck features 67,000 original miles, a manual transmission, and a clean white exterior matched with a red interior, all running on a gasoline engine. The truck still carries its factory original paint, and remains fully original inside and out, which adds to its authenticity and appeal as a classic compact pickup. Despite its age, the body is in overall solid shape, with only a small rust spot on the left front fender. It was previously rear-ended, so it will need a tailgate in the right rear bed corner, but both replacement parts are already included, making the restoration process more convenient for the next owner. The title is in hand, making it ready for the next owner to restore or enjoy as a solid vintage project truck.
Number 9.
1990 Ford F350, price $7,500, long bed dually fitted with a strong 12-valve Cummins turbo diesel that starts and runs perfectly, paired with a smooth-shifting 700R4 automatic transmission. It's a 2WD truck with a clean California title, CA smog exempt status, and its original diesel designation, currently on non-op with no back fees. The body is solid despite imperfect black paint, and the red interior remains in good shape. It has heavy-duty front and rear bumpers along with a permanently welded hideaway gooseneck hitch.
The truck runs and drives excellent, though the main fuel tank needs cleaning and it's currently using the smaller tank. Minor flaws include a broken glovebox latch, a non-operational passenger window, and tires that will need replacement. Number 10.
1984 Ford F150, price $7,000, comes with a reliable 302 engine paired to a 4-speed manual transmission, giving it the classic driving feel expected from an older F-Series truck. It runs strong and, according to the owner, it shouldn't need anything major to pass a new inspection. The truck was last inspected in 2013, but it has since received considerable attention and care. The wheels were professionally sandblasted and repainted, giving them a clean, refreshed look, and it has been fitted with a full set of brand new tires for improved ride and safety. The owner also carries around $1,500 in receipts for parts and maintenance that have recently been done, showing consistent upkeep.